and welcome to this masterclass on delivering innovation for public good. What exactly is public good? Is it social good? Is it social entrepreneurship? Is it public welfare? Or is it something else? Or is it all of this included? And in fact, if somebody has to drive innovation, why would anybody drive innovation? And how should you drive innovation in case you want to fit into this ecosystem or in this pyramid of doing social good? Yes, you could be a CSR professional and you could be doing social good. You could be a corporate or a startup who wants to impact the society, and hence you could be doing public good. You could be a public officer, public welfare officer, government servant. You could be holding any public office. You could be a legislative assembly member, you could be a parliamentarian, or probably an advisor. And you could be doing public good. But is it necessary to drive innovation? Is there innovation lacking? And how do we drive innovation? That is the question that we are going to answer in this masterclass. In fact, I'm going to give you steps in which you can drive innovation in whatever format or whatever work that you would want to do systematically for public good. Whoever you are, whichever person in the ecosystem you are. But first and foremost, let's answer this question. How do we solve community problems, especially in India? So let me give you an example. I have a problem of traffic in front of my society, housing society. Because my child is small and all the other children that he plays with are young. And the people who live in the society, or probably the vehicles that pass through the road, which could be a public road, could be a road used for the society, the people are not aware that children might be playing due to the lack of common play areas or fields, could be playing in those common areas. So, yes, this is a problem and this is a societal problem. It is a community problem. How do we approach a solution? As a society, we come down together and think, okay, let us do one thing. Let me create a speed breaker. So at least if nothing else, the vehicles are going to break their speed here. So they will lower down their speed. Second, let me put boards saying there are children playing here. And individual solutions to community problems. But does that solve a problem? Have you ever seen across the globe as many speed breakers as there are in India? Because everyone thought this was the solution, individual solution to a large community problem. And it relates to more problems. Because then it affects your vehicles, it affects the speed of the road, and obviously it also is the reason for the maximum number of accidents that happen on the road. So yes, where are we going wrong as a society, as a community? And why are we not being able to innovate? So let's structure this masterclass in 3 different parts. The first part is where I will give you examples of various things that we can do or people have done to solve community problems. Second, I will give you a structured way to look at innovation and social innovation. And last but not the least, we will create a system or a structure or a graph to ensure that whatever we will practice for public good, and we will drive innovation in that system, project, or product.